57. Sir, Piggery Mission in the state was launched on 10 September 2020 and rupees 16 crores 70 lakh 92,000 loan has been sanctioned to the cooperative societies with zero interest.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. No doubt that Piggery Mission is one of the best mission that the government have already been implemented, especially for the pig farmers and cooperative societies in the state. So may I know from Honorable Minister that the guideline which the Piggery Mission has put forward, that is a very complex and difficult. May I know from Honorable Minister whether he can simplify, modify and rectify in such a way that will be easy for the farmers or pig farmers, even society to fulfill all the guidelines.
Sir, in fact, before bringing out the mission document, in fact, quite a number of meetings, series of meetings we had, and not only a meeting with in the officers level, but even with the stakeholders level, we do have a meeting, detailed meeting, and ultimately we came out with the mission document. And in fact, this mission document is so simple for any concerned cooperative society to avail the loan without interest.
So it is a fact when any scheme that we are supposed to implement, the first step that we have to do is calling a meeting from the minister concerned, even with the stakeholders. Because whatever the meeting decide, that is the best interest of farmers, even for the cooperative society. So after implementation on the ground, all the time, sir, that problem will face. But even then, sir, since the Honourable Minister have already said. So may I know from Honourable Minister how much the loan is giving to breeding and fattening, sir?
Released was 16 crores 70 lakhs 92,000 through the Mekla Cooperative Apex Bank. Until today, 95 cooperative societies throughout the state, they availed this loan. And from the Mekla Cooperative Apex Bank, they have released till today not less than 5 crores rupees. Not less than 5 crores rupees. And the detail of fattening and then breeding, I don't have the record. So for that portion, I require notice, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from Honourable Minister, in case the farmers, in case the cooperative societies fail to pay the loan, is there any penalty levy on defaulters, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So may I know if that will be how much, what is the time of how much you have to pay on what kind of defaulters, sir?
This is the last question.
Sir, I don't get the question. Default, I think Honourable Member, I don't know, he
Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, can you please, sir?
And this is the last question.
One more, sir. There's only one more. So regarding with this defaulter, I've already asked from Honourable Minister, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to get the clarification from the Minister. If the farmers, if the cooperative societies fail to pay the loan, what is the penal levy interest, and what kind of punishment they will get, sir?
Sir, so far now we just started the project. We just released the amount to the concerned cooperative societies. And these 95 cooperative societies, let me just tell you, sir, we have screened all the details, all the books of account. Even these 95 cooperative societies, they are fully functional, the functional one, throughout the state. And then on the basis of that, we released this loan with zero interest. And then number two, certain conditions were also put so that they can generate their income generation by setting up of breeding as well as fattening of this peccary mission, and the loan where they have to pay back to Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank is for 8 years with moratorium of 1.5 years. They don't have to pay anything within 1.5 years when the loan was released to the concerned cooperative societies. So as of now, sir, we don't have any such challenges where the cooperative society did not pay or commit defaulting on these conditions.
So, may I know from Honorable Minister, if the pig or piglet dead, is there any compensation, sir? Last.
Sir, again, we have introduced one beautiful model as far as insurance is concerned. We created one special scheme, which is known as Community Livestock Protection Services, in the same pattern with the insurance. And each piglet, we deducted 200 rupees, each piglet. And this one will be packed with the Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank. And in case of death, due to genuine reason, this amount will be released back to the concerned beneficiaries.